Partial fractions, part third. Question number 1. Integration 3 sine theta minus 2 times cos theta d theta divided by 5 minus cos square theta minus 4 sine theta. Here we can assume sine theta equal to y. Then cos theta d theta will be equal to dy. So our question will become integration 3y minus 2 times dy divided by 5 minus 1 minus sine square theta, that is 1 minus y square minus 4y. Now we simplify it, it becomes 3y minus 2 dy divided by, if we open bracket, minus 1 plus y square minus 4y, 5 minus 1 is 4, so it will become y square minus 4y plus 4. Now we factorize it, so it will become 3y minus 2 dy divided by y minus 2 whole square. So now let's write 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 2 whole square equal to a upon y minus 2 plus b upon y minus 2 whole square. Now we take LCM, so we will get 3y minus 2 equal to a times y minus 2 plus b. Now we compare the coefficients of y from both sides. So here it is ay, here it is 3y. So a will be equal to 3. And then we compare the coefficients without y. So minus 2 in this side, and this is minus 2a plus b, where a equal to 3. So after putting value, we will get b equal to 4. So our question, integration 3y minus 2 dy divided by y minus 2 whole square will become integration dy will become, in place of a, we can put the value of a, that is 3. So this will become 3 dy. And in place of b, we can put the value of b as 4. So 4 dy. Now we can integrate. So it will become, this will become 3 log y minus 2, and second term here we can put y minus 2 equal to t, then dy equal to dt. So we will get integration 4 dt divided by t square, that will become integration t power 4 times integration minus 2 dt, and that will give 4 t power minus 1 divided by minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 4, sorry, minus 4 upon t, where t equal to y minus 2. So second term will become minus 4 upon y minus 2 plus c. Now we put the value of y. So we assume sine theta as y. So 3 log sine theta minus 2 minus 4 upon sine theta minus 2 plus c. So this is our answer. Now consider one more question. So suppose question is integration x square dx divided by x square plus 1 times x square plus 4. Here we can assume x square equal to y. Then our question will become y divided by y plus 1. This portion x square divided by x square plus 1 times x square plus 4 can be written as y upon y plus 1 times y plus 4. Now we can write it as a upon y plus 1 plus b upon y plus 4, and we simplify. So we will get y equal to a times y plus 4 plus b times y plus 1. Now we choose the values of y to get a and b. Suppose y equal to minus 4. In that case, b will be 4 by 3 because we write here minus 4 equal to b times minus 4 plus 1. So this will give b equal to 4 by 3. And then we choose y equal to minus 1, and then we will get a equal to minus 1 by 3. So we have got the values of a and b. So we can write it integration x square dx divided by x square plus 1 times x square plus 4 equals value of a 4 by 3, 4 by 3 dx divided by y equal to x square. So x square plus 1, sorry, value of a is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3, and then value of b is 4 by 3 integration dx divided by y equal to x square. So x square plus 4. Now we can apply direct formula integration dx upon x square plus a square, that will give 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. So here it will become minus 1 by 3 tan inverse x only because a is 1, and the second one will become 4 by 3 into 1 upon a. A is here, this is 2 square, so a is 2, 1 upon 2 tan inverse x upon a, that is x upon 2 plus c. So here so minus 1 by 3 tan inverse x plus 2 by 3 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is our answer. Thank you for watching.